Here's the best portable power strip for traveling, and it's by a company called Orico.
Ooh.
As you can see here, it weighs less than a pound.
Whoa.
The length of the power strip is a little over 3 inches, the width is about 2 inches wide, and the height is about 3.5 inches tall. To put this in perspective, here is my pants. As you can see here, it easily fits into my left pocket. If you're more of a butt pocket type of person, it fits easily there too. Nice! Now let's see how long the cord is. I unraveled and straightened it as fast as I could, and it turned out to be around 43 inches.
Alright, let's plug it in. This consists of one 3-prong, 3 USB A's right there, and one 2-prong. We also have a handle here, and you could use it to organize the cable. So let's visually see how much this thing can charge. All right, let's charge my Sony speaker. Here, I'll turn it around so you can see that's charging. I'll put it right here. Okay, the light is right there. And finally, let's charge this iPad right there. It's charging. So visually, just look at that. That's quite a lot.
Wow!
Yeah, so once you're all finished with it, it even tells you how to put it away.
Just wrap the cord around toward the direction of the arrow.
And there you go.
Cover it up so the cord stays in place and you are ready to go. If you want this power strip for yourself, check the current pricing by clicking the link in the description. Also, check out Orico's store on Amazon. They have a lot of other products just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next item.